Aspen Medical chose to partner with the Brendale Group for a number of reasons, because we wanted to create a manufacturing capability with the best of all areas, from product development through production and then into distribution.
We'll be employing right through the manufacturing chain, experts in production and machine manufacturing, engineers.
Today I'm very pleased to be here at Aspen Medical with the Treasurer, the local member for Pine Rivers, Nikki Boyd, and of course Andrew, who's in charge of manufacturing here at Aspen. I've just met some workers at this manufacturing plant here, 35 people, many of whom had lost their jobs during COVID, now have a job because they are making things here in Queensland.